Most students just count electrons. They memorize rules. Today, I want you to understand chemistry. We are drawing the nitrate ion. No counting, just logic. Start with nitrogen in the center. Why? Because it's the least electronegative. Now surround it with the 3 oxygens. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. Each oxygen has 6. Put them around the atoms. Now the negative charge. It must go to the most electronegative atom. So give that extra electron to one of the oxygens. Now this oxygen has a full shell on the side. Perfect. Now connect the single dots. Pair them up. The bottom oxygen has 2 unpaired electrons. It forms a double bond with nitrogen. The right oxygen has 1. It forms a single bond. Now look at the top oxygen. It has 2 unpaired dots. But look at nitrogen. It has a full pair of electrons ready to share. Nitrogen doesn't need to share, but oxygen is desperate for an octet. So nitrogen shares its pair one way. This is what we call a dative bond, or if you want the technical term, a coordinate covalent bond. Finally, put it in brackets. Add the negative sign. This is nitrate. No memorization, just pure chemistry. Forget counting electrons. From now on, use the dative bond method for every polyatomic ion. If you are tired of memorizing and ready to actually understand chemistry, subscribe to Snap Chemics. Next video, we'll break down sulfate in under 3 minutes. See you there!